Okay guys, so today also we are going to continue the new GL itself. Yesterday I completed the configuration. I told you the importance of new GL. So in that we have to test parallel reporting. Apart from this, still we are having like document splitting and the integration between FICO. So that will be covered separately in a different session. But today I'm going to show you practically that how parallel reporting is possible. Parallel reporting means if the company is having or operating their business in two different geographical area, and that too if geographical area means countries, and those countries are following two different fiscal year, financial years, and apart from this, if they are using different currencies and all, then how this will happen, how reporting is possible. So already I have done the configuration part. Now I have to perform the testing part, how it is possible. Okay, so guys, here financial statement we generate by like we are having OB58 transaction code by which we create financial statement. We'll check like which financial statement version we have created. F OB58. Let me check. Then here I think TM10. Is it there? Oh, it's not there. Generally, financial statement is not there. Here it is not created because this is different. So I'll do one thing. I'll create within a minute, and I will not record here because we are just doing this new GL testing. So once again, financial statement why to create, because that is already created and that class is already finished and video is already shared. So I'll not record because so that this video will not become lengthy or bulky. Okay guys, so now I have created my financial fiscal year financial statement version, and we have done the new GL settings already. So now I just want to show you one more thing here. Now here let's suppose whatever GL I have assigned, in those GL the values are already posted. Okay, so I just will do one thing. Now here we are having a leading ledger, that is 0L, and we are having non-leading ledger T6. This leading ledger is following fiscal year variant K4, and this is V3 non-leading ledger. This is for India, and this is, let's suppose, for US we have created. Generally this fiscal year should be vice versa, in the sense V3 should be here and K4 should be here, but anyway we have to perform a testing part. Initially itself I assigned K4, that is why V3 I assigned here in US. So now let's suppose if you have to see the report for entire GL or a particular GL, then what will happen? We'll do one thing. This is following Jan to December. Jan to December, and this is April to March. Now, so what will happen? We'll do one thing. We'll post few transactions and then we'll see the report. So we'll post few transactions in a GL, in a different GL. So we are having like already, see here, I have tested LSMW. Okay, so we are having test GLs. See here, we are having test GLs. We are having test GLs. So let's suppose this test 7 itself I am going to use. Okay, this test 7 itself I am going to use, and we'll post some entry against this one by using any transaction code, like say for example, okay, any transaction code AB50 itself, make one GL debit and another GL credit. So here we'll post transactions in January month, April month, November month, and next year, these all in 2018, and next year January and March also. So here, see the GL number first, 4020 and 4021. We'll make debit credit these two, 4020 and 4021. Make one debit and second credit. Let's suppose 200, 200, and then make it 0101 2017, and here also 0101 2017. Okay, we'll have to change the company code because company code is a different one. Here TM10, and then once again give the this date 4020 and 4021, debit and credit. Press enter, and we'll have to see whether posting period is open or not. Okay, it's open, that's what system is not throwing any error. Now one is posted in January, second one in June month, again 0106 2017. Few transactions we have to post for testing purpose. Post it, press enter. Then in 9th month, same GL once again. And here again 2000, 2000, post it. Then one in December month also, not in December, we'll post in January next year 2018, let's suppose. So for that we need to check our posting period variant first of all, whether which posting period we have open. So now OB52, right now I think I have opened for entire year. See here, posting period variant TM10, press enter. In TM10 1 2017 to 12 2017. Now I'll 2018 also will open. I'll just make it 2017 itself. Post it. Let's see. And then here 0101 2018. Okay, yeah, here system will throw error because till 2017 itself we have opened the period, so make it 18 and save it. Okay, so now for 2018 also we have opened the period. We have to perform just testing itself, guys, so that's what I have to show you something. Here once again 500 post this transaction. Okay, number range is missing for 2018. So year wise we create number range, guys. So what we have to do, again we have to create some number range. FB and 1 for 2018 also we have to create interval here, because see number range we have created for 2017 itself. Now insert button, again 01 2018, sorry 18 1000 to 1999, and save this. Press enter, and then we can post the transaction. Now post this transaction. So we have posted. Now we'll post for 0103 2018. Okay, now here 4020, make it debit credit, and again 1000 and 1000, and save this. Okay, so see I have posted. Now what I wanted to show you guys, let's suppose I am having two GL 4020 and 4021. For these two GL I have posted so many transactions starting from Jan to December, and even in next month, April and March also I have posted. Now what is our purpose? Whenever you see financial statement, whenever you generate a report for your country, for India, then whatever transaction we have posted between Jan to December, those transaction only should appear. We have posted two transaction in the next year, what to say, January and March also, January and March 2018. These transactions should not appear in the statement. But whenever you generate your statement for US market, so for that we have created a non-leading ledger. So whenever we generate our statement for US market, what will happen? Then this transaction here, in this transaction, what will happen? Uh, the system should show the balance from April till March 2018 March. Okay, so here different balances should appear, and here different balances should appear. That's what I wanted to make you guys understand, and that's what I wanted to show you. So we are having two GLs only for which we have done this posting even in 2018 also, that is GL number 4020 and 4021. So what will happen, we'll just use transaction code F.01. We'll use transaction code F.01, F.01, press enter button, give your chart of account, and give your company code here, and give your GL account 4020 to 4021. Okay, and then execute. So here what is happening, see 2800 balance is, system is showing this much balances. Now it's, this is like Jan to December. Now here come back, generally make it 12 itself and then execute. Now this is for India, and for US if you have to generate the financial statement, then what you have to do, click on, okay. So for US if you have to generate, see, whenever we are going to generate our financial statement for our local what to say, reporting purposes for your company code country, then by default system has updated 0L. I didn't do anything. Now for US we have created a non-leading ledger, that is T6. So give here T6, and even you can give the currency also, somewhere currency field also will be there, here USD. So I don't know whether this currency setting I have done in this what to say server or not. So leave this currency first. I have given T6. Now if you give T6, what will happen? See, it is going to show you a different value. T6 is going to show you a different value. Okay, and here how you will come to know, see here previous year means whatever I have posted in January 2017, I have posted 200 worth of transaction in January 2017, that is visible and that is showing by system in comparison year. It means system is treating January 2017 belongs to previous year. Okay, so here it is showing for US market. Now if you are having this what to say foreign currency settings and all, then we can see the balances even in US currency also, because here this report should be in US currency. What you have to do, here you have to give USD and then you have to execute, but I don't think like, let me check whether foreign currency is there. Yeah, it's there. So see, the transactions are being visible here. It's showing in US currency, in USD it is. So these transactions are being shown in US figure, US currency. This figures are being shown in US currencies and all. So this is how we can see the reports. Like I have posted transaction in those in this GL for from 1st Jan 2017 onwards. So whenever you see the report for India, in the sense for local currency in INR, for your company code country, then here we have to use ledger 0L. You see 0L, remove the currency here, then system is going to show you a different balance, and see here comparison period means for 2016 we are not having anything. But if you want to see the report for US country and all, then the fiscal year variant is different, and so values also will be shown here, a different value will be visible. So here what you have to do, you have to give T6, the non-leading ledger which we created yesterday, and currency also we have to give here, because US reporting is happening, it's following a different fiscal year variant and different currency also. So for the same GL, the transaction figures are shown in US currency, and a different figure is visible here because it is following April to March, because we have assigned April to March against T6 non-leading ledger. Okay, so that's all guys I wanted to show here in what to say parallel reporting. Still we are having document splitting and other topic integration between FICO. So that I'll cover once I start the controlling, this one. So that's all in this session, guys. One more thing I just wanted to explain you guys here. See, leading versus non-leading ledger. All the document, all the document posted in leading ledgers automatically, flowed to the non-leading ledger, but not vice versa. It means like whatever documents we are posting, okay, whatever document, whatever transaction we are going to post, system will post this transaction to non-leading ledger, sorry, leading ledger by default, and from leading ledger the value is going to transfer to non-leading ledger automatically. In background we are not able to view these all things, but system is going to transfer those value from leading ledger to non-leading ledger. But if you post any transaction particularly against a non-leading ledger, then this is not possible. Then the value will not be transferred to the leading ledger. I'll just show you that one also. Let's suppose we'll use, I'll just show you guys one more example here. Let's suppose we are having one more GL here. This is test 9. Test 9. Let's suppose this GL. Okay. This GL, we are going to post a value for this GL. Particularly, let's suppose this GL is being used for some US related expenses itself. So this GL will be used only for US reporting purposes itself. This GL we are not going to use for our country, our reporting for the Indias and all. So what will happen whenever we post a transaction against this GL? How we are going to post? This is the transaction code FB50L. Now here give a document date here, or like let's suppose I'm going to post in 1st June or this month, September month. I have posted this transaction. Let's suppose generally it should be in INR itself, but anyway we are having we can give currency over there so that it will convert, and give 1000 debit. GL number not 1000. We'll give a different GL here, which is like test 3 1022. Debit here 1000, and we'll make 4022 here, 4022 credit. This is 1000. Now what I said, give here T6. Let me check and press enter. Press enter once again. Okay. So this two GLs we have created for, let's suppose, US reporting purposes itself. Okay. This we have not created for the local reporting. Local reporting means for India. Okay. Now here currency should be USD. I have not given. Anyway, you guys can give USD currency. Now, so what will happen? What this PPT is saying, that whenever you post a document without giving any ledger or ledger group, then what will happen? By default, those documents are getting posted against leading ledger, and the value will be transferred from leading ledger to non-leading ledger automatically. But let's suppose you are going to post any expenses or anything which you feel that this is really related to US reporting purposes itself, this is not relevant to our local reporting and all, then we are having some specific GL. In that we are going to post those transactions, and those we have to post against non-leading ledger, because we don't want to report those things for our local, when you generate your financial statement for local reporting purposes, you don't want to show those balances. So we are having some separate GL, and in that we are going to post this transaction. But while posting, we have to give non-leading ledger. So if you give non-leading ledger, then the value will not transfer from non-leading ledger to leading ledger. It means all the document posted in leading ledger, automatically the value is going to transfer from leading ledger to non-leading ledger. That is there by default. But when you post any transaction against non-leading ledger, those values are not going to transfer to leading ledger. So here I have given non-leading ledger T6. Let me post this transaction. And once I posted this transaction, just come here and give what was the GL account. One was 1022 and 4022. So we'll do one thing. Here we'll check the balances. 1022 and 4022. Press enter. Sorry, execute. I'll remove this one. And then click here. And here I have given 1022 and 4022 and execute. And then remove this one and give 0L. Okay. And here remove USD. So first of all, we are going to see whatever GL I have given, whether it is appearing for local reporting or not. Any balance is appearing for local reporting or not. No list generated, no balances are there. Why? Because those GLs are posted against non-leading ledger. It means that we are going to use for US reporting. So I'll give that non-leading ledger T6. Change your currency also if you want, and then try to generate. So see, now the value is getting appeared here, because these GLs are going to be used for US reporting. So whenever you generate your financial statement for US, these balances will appear. Whenever you generate your reports for this local reporting purposes, these GLs are not getting appeared. It means we posted a value against non-leading ledger. We posted a value against non-leading ledger, and the value could not, transfer from non-leading ledger to leading ledger. That's what here this PPT is saying, that all the document posted, if you don't give any ledger while posting, like whenever you post a transaction FB50, FB60, FB70, we are not going to give any ledger or ledger group. Okay, so all the documents are posted that is by default it is getting posted to leading ledger, and automatically value is going to transfer from leading ledger to non-leading ledger. But if you post any transaction to non-leading ledger, then value will not be transferred from non-leading ledger to leading ledger. That's what I was trying to explain here. Now non-leading ledger derives all value from leading ledgers itself. That is true itself, because non-leading ledgers derive all the value from leading ledger itself. And here leading ledger is a primary ledger, whereas non-leading ledger is called secondary ledger. So that's all about this leading and non-leading ledger, guys. Whenever if you watch my first video, I have already told, like whenever we define a company code, these all things by default system has already created, it's already set up a leading ledger will be there for your company code. If you have a reporting for a different geographical area, then we are going to set up non-leading ledgers and all. Okay, so that's what I wanted to explain here. Now that's all in this session, guys.